In this video, we have these system of equations. We have a to the second power minus b to the second power is equal to 21. Then we also have a to the second power plus b to the second power is equal to 29. And we have to find the value of a times b. But before we begin, pause the video and try this first. Done? Cool. Now let's get started. First, we're going to call this equation 1 and then call this equation 2. Then from here, we can say equation 1 plus equation 2. Now, considering the left-hand side of equation 1, we have a to the second power minus b to the second power. Then from the left-hand side of equation 2, we have a to the second power plus b to the second power, and this is equal to 21 plus 29. And straight away, we can see that this negative b squared will cancel this positive b squared. So we have a squared plus a squared, which is 2a squared. And this is equal to 21 plus 29, that is 50. Since we are looking for a, let's divide each side of the equation by 2, so that this and this will go. And now we have a squared is equal to 25. Now let's go ahead and then take square root on the both sides of the equation. But don't forget we have plus or minus here. Now this square will cancel the square root, so we have a is equal to plus or minus 5. So now that we know the values of a, we can go ahead and then find the values of b from this second equation. So from this equation, we can say that b squared is equal to 29 minus a squared. B squared is equal to 29 minus, we have a to be plus or minus 5, so we're going to have plus or minus 5 all squared. So b squared is equal to 29 minus, in either ways we will get 25. So this implies that b squared is equal to 4. Now we are looking for b, so let's take square root on the both sides of the equation. Don't forget we have plus or minus here. And straight away, we can see that this square will cancel this square root. So we have b is equal to plus or minus 2. And now the values of a and b turn out to be, when a is negative 5, we have b to be negative 2. Then when a is negative 5, we can have b to be positive 2. And again, when a is equal to positive 5, we can have b to be negative 2. And then when a is positive 5, we can have b to be positive 2. But the question is saying we should find the values for a times b. So from here, we can have negative 5 times negative 2, which is equal to positive 10. Then from here, we can also have negative 5 times positive 2, which is equal to negative 10. And from here we can also have negative 10, and lastly from here we can have positive 10. So this implies that the value for a times b is equal to negative 10 or positive 10. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.